Hello there fellow college students. In this video, I'll be going over Perusall reading assignment instructions and expectations. Now the objectives and the purpose for using Perusall is that our readings will be completed through the platform of Perusall, where your job will be to read the article assigned that week and leave at least 7 annotations. The purpose of the annotations are to interact with the topics being discussed in the article. We will be discussing these ideas in class. There is always a purpose for assigning the article of the week, and I don't intend on keeping that a secret. Therefore, throughout each article, you will find questions and comments I left highlighted in blue on the ideas that are important to focus on as we read. You will be reading and leaving your 7+ annotations by highlighting words or sentences from the article and typing out your comment using the platform Perusall.com. Your audience is your peers and myself, your instructor. In order to be able to get access to Perusall, you will have to create an account using your UTRGV email. I have created a document titled Perusall FAQ and a video called Quick Guide on How to Use Perusall that gives a step-by-step guide on how to create an account as well as how to use Perusall. Once you create a Perusall account, you will need a course code to get access to our class. You will be able to find that code on Blackboard in the Series 2.1 folder, which is during the first 3 readings. I will ask you to watch a video going over several reading strategies. After having watched the reading strategy video of the week, you will select the one that stood out to you and apply it to the reading of the week. You apply the strategy by doing what is shown in the strategy video, then leaving a comment or comments in Perusall detailing what strategy you used. For example, if you used the vocabulary clarification strategy, I would expect to see a comment that looks something like this: word nexus, vocabulary ranking 1, unfamiliar, my own definition to catch something, Webster dictionary definition, a connection between ideas. After you log back into Perusall, you will have access to all the readings of the entire semester listed in order of how they will be read. Read the titles of the articles carefully and locate the one assigned that week. As you read, leave at least 7 annotations. Your comments can vary in what they discuss, but the number one thing I expect to see when I read through your comments is to see you apply a reading strategy. Some examples of those reading strategies are: respond to my comment or questions, which will be highlighted in blue, posting your own question, which could be ideas, terms, sections you're confused about, even things you're curious about. Posting your own comments you can connect or feel about an idea discussed. Responses to student post questions. Responses to student comments. You can agree or disagree with a comment. You can expand and add on your own thoughts and experiences. You can apply reading strategies such as questioning who the author, the audience is, summarizing paragraphs and sections, or translating into your own words. You could define terms, even add images, doodles, concept maps, etc. Your comments will automatically be saved after clicking enter or submit. You don't have to submit anything to Blackboard to prove to me you completed the comments. I will go to Perusall.com to read through and grade comments. You will need materials for this, which is access to technology and internet, Perusall.com, Perusall Frequently Asked Questions Guide, the reading strategy video, and the guide. Each Perusall reading and annotations is worth 4 points. This is an example. If you leave 7+ annotations and those 7 comments were left throughout the reading is 2 points. Reading strategy, have annotations that clearly demonstrate what and how reading strategies were used, that will be 1 point. And if completed by the original due date, that will be 1 point, for a total of 4 points. Now the due date for all the Perusall readings and comments are due on Sunday by 11:59. And that is all the Perusall reading assignment, instructions, and expectations. Until next time, bye.